We've reached the crest, and now we're gonna head that way. Walking to Gorobchev. Between there and here we should hit that Italian pyramid. So now we go that way. Where the hell is Gorobchev? Yeah, it's still humping. "4 p.m. and I spot Gorobchev."
Frozen. This is everything else in this room. The ice to get water out into the bucket.
Didn't I meet you 15 years ago? My first avalanche of the season. And the sun hasn't even come out yet. That's Everest in the background. And over there is my first glimpse of the base camp. There's one scary crevasse. That's not Everest base camp. At least not the way I remembered it. It was way the heck down there. This is just a spot on a glacier where somebody decided, let's keep the riffraff out. So the cook from the expedition told me, yeah, the base camp is up here, not back there. They just stop up there for the tourists. Footprints leading that way. I'm early because they're still setting up shop here. I guess this is the new puja spot.